Hi viewers and welcome back to the start of another vlog. So today is Friday and today it has a Christmas in May Instagram live. So basically Renelli and all things well on the tube, you know, Trin YouTubers right there. If you're not subscribed, go subscribe. They are having a Christmas in May live on Instagram, and it has like a whole set of other YouTubers, well, Trinidad YouTubers, that will be joining in like for a little 5, 10, 15 minutes to take part in some of the activities that they have and stuff. So basically they're doing it just to like lift people's spirits, basically with all the mess that's going on right now with the coronavirus and everybody and all the deaths, and we on lockdown and state of emergency and all kind of madness in Trinidad. They decided to do this as a way to, you know, lift people's spirits and get them, you know, in a nice little cheerful mood. So your girl will be on there as well. Don't know when, but it's for hours, so at some point in time I'll be popping in. So what I'm doing now is putting up my little miniature Christmas tree. Honestly, what I gave Keanu this, but apparently I did not. So I'm gonna put that up in my little background. So when, you know, when it's just going a little Instagram live, it will look a little festive, my boys. And not just plain. So let me show you what I'm doing. Hi babes, welcome back to a new day. Oh, your eyes are looking so pretty. It's so nice and blue. Like, let me show you. Look at how pretty. Yeah, this is like a beach day, but well, you know, yeah. Anyways, so today, not much going on. I don't know if y'all caught the live yesterday, but it is, well, by the time I'll seen this will be last week, but yeah, it is still live on All Things Bell Instagram channel. So go across there, click on it, and see all of your favorite Trinidad YouTubers. Y'all, it was such a nice time. I'm so happy that her and Renelli did this. Like, it was so nice. It was a nice little protective bubble for a little while, you know, away from all the ish that's going on right now in Trinidad and Tobago. So yeah, but I don't really do anything today. I need to film for sure. Like, I need to film the get ready with me video with our wig, because I'm going to try a new style. Or you know how them curls come on last time? Hot mess. So I'm going to like a get ready with me where I get all dolled up and tiny face gonna look on point. Here hopefully on point too. So in the hair kino dog and saying, you know, again better with doing like neater, bigger canos. Like my neatest canos are the smallest ones. So, but I wasn't in the mood to like do all of that, and my hand was giving me some pressure yesterday. So I was like, "Ooh, child, let's do this before this hand decides to, you know, act up." So they come out real nice and neat, and then I just need to like cover it every day. I don't think bonnets is for me. I know. Take a moment of silence, because I know I must just like hit some of the natural. Here, people know the heart. I'm gonna give you all a moment of silence. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I don't think bonnets are for me. I think I really just need to like tie down my hair like properly with a headscarf. So I need to get a one of them silky looking type headscarves. It don't really bother me like if it's real silk or not. Once it's not cut, I'm good to go. And do that because it keeps my hair neater way longer than a bonnet would. So yeah, that's just me. That's how it works for me. That's, you know, that's just me figuring out ish. But yeah, so I'm not doing nothing much today. Am I going to cook? I'm not feeling to cook, to be honest. But I don't want to spend money neither, so yeah, I think I might cook. May or may not, I don't know. I might just do breakfast food, eggs and some pancakes, you never know. So yeah, all year I'm gonna come back if anything happens today. Alright, hola, new day. Sis is finished at the doctor. All I have to wake up so early. What time it is? It's now 7:30, and I usually the doctor was like about 6:38, and I done had like 5 people. I was like, what? But yeah, so I'm not my doctor. So basically what it is carpal tunnel syndrome. And I kind of mind so, but you know, having a doctor say it's like, okay, alright, it's confirmed. So sis is on meds, and sis needs to ease off her hand, basically. For like full relief, it'd be for like 6 weeks. But even within 2 weeks I should get, you know, at ease and things. So I think as I said in some other vlogs, video is gonna be a little slow, but I would still be uploading. For you, cause well, I can't do as much as I would like to on my phone or on my laptop and things. So there's that. So yeah, cause the first round is medication, then if that don't work, then it's a steroid injection into your hand to the tendon itself. So it'll be like right here in your wrist where the tendon is, they would do a steroid shot there to see that work, and if not, then it's surgery. But thankfully he said my case not as bad for surgery, so we just have to do medication first and then go from there. So I honestly think with like all the stuff that I have to do, so like all the things that I need to do, so basically like stop being on the computer so much, stop being on my phone so much, and I think I use my phone to edit, and then with my laptop that's how I used to work. And work is, I think as I told you before, it's like a lot of graphics and stuff that I'll be doing and things. So obviously I'll be using my hand and stuff a lot. So I just had to like cut up my time and thing and like spread it out and not be on thing that much. So yeah, but thankfully it's, you know, it's treatable and stuff. So yeah, that's what it's doing at the moment. But how are y'all? How are y'all coping in these Cranova streets, you know? Right, y'all. So we cooking today again, you know, the usual. But today gonna be a real like hurry pot, one pot kind of thing. So I using these noodles. These are Nova rice gluten-free noodles. A tin of the spicy Thai chili and some pasta sauce. So basically I'll just be boiling this, putting this in this, putting that in that, and I'm going to saute some onions and some tomatoes, you know, just to give it a little extra some, and y'all, that gonna be lunch. A quick one pot, because one, I ain't feeling good, and two, my hand hurting me, so I can't do too much. So yeah. So yeah, y'all, this is the finished product. Okay, bon appetit. This smells so good, and that cheese on the melt, oh my gosh, love. So I'm gonna see y'all when I finish eating. Y'all, it's after 10 at night. Ow! Shit. I'm drinking tea. I'm drinking the Dilma's organic green tea with ginger. Can you see that? It's not focusing. And I feel to put my hand behind it. Okay, cool. Yeah. So I drink it and I put a piece of ginger in it too to like steep. Me know if that go work, me know. But I just had to come on and talk to her, you know. Doing a mental health check-in with all of my subscribers. How are you all going in this panorama? You know what's going on? I like to check in every now and again. Like as with on my WhatsApp status, and have I ever done it on Instagram? I don't think I've done it on Instagram, and I did it on my YouTube community tab. And y'all are so nice, y'all actually answered. But I realized a lot of people, like really actually, not handling this whole thing like well. I mean I admire, but sometimes you just have to be like, this season ain't gonna last forever, you know? It's just like a season you gotta go through, and no one knows how long it'll be. It's just to kind of try and make the best of it, and like to just do things that make you happy, that kind of way. So yeah, oh, this the real hot boy cheese and edges. I don't even know like thing. I never like me properly. As I said, after 10 nights, and I'm not putting on no ring light. I don't even know if this set of footage gonna reach in the vlog itself. So we'll see. But yeah. Oh, I have some exciting news for y'all, but obviously I didn't go ahead until like when it launch. Most likely I want to launch in July, God's willing. So y'all will hear it then. I mean June is tomorrow, so just a month for a little wait. But all once this comes out, how I envision it to come out, like when I get all my testers and all I'm saying, I'm like, oh yeah, I am so flipping happy and proud of myself for doing what I'm doing. And well, you all will hear about in July, God's spare life. But yeah, you know, there's just a little segment of encouragement just for everybody to keep their heads up, stay prayed up, keep looking for the positive and everything. Drink tea if that makes you happy. Yeah, and just, you know, take it one day at a time. Your feelings are valid. Don't let nobody downplay your feelings. If you're not feeling good, if you're not feeling yourself, don't let nobody downplay it and say no to people who have it worse than you, or it could have been worse. You see, them kind of that's piss me off. Don't try to control how I feel, you know? If that's how you feel, that's how you feel. Embrace it. Go through the motions and then come out of it. But yeah, so let me go and drink my tea. So this was, you know, motivational tea talks with Gabby. I weak. But anyway, so I'll see you tomorrow. Please, the Lord, in the next clip. Morning babies and welcome back to another day. Yeah, I just want to come and show you this. So as y'all know, place lockdown, SOE, whatever, and markets in a hot mess. Like to get into the market, I usually like after 5, and if I reach after 5, you end up in like a long tail line. Like no, Massy, I do not like their vegetables. I don't know why it's always look like if it's dying. And it's like, you know, it's begging to be bought. Nope. I tried True Value stuff. They know more, but them always have a long line. Ain't nobody got time for that. So the man I got into contact with someone who does deliveries of like fruits and vegetables, Olive. Let me show you this produce. Like this is the best quality I've seen in a very, very, very long time as it pertains to like fruits and vegetables. So this is the pak choy. Oh, look at how pretty this pak choy looking. Look how nice and green. Look at that. Compared to what we usually get. Like this is so nice and beautiful looking. Check pak choy. Check pak choy. So yeah, this the juice full of ma. I get a pawpaw. It looking like quarter way ripe, so I'll like leave it to ripe some more. Bada boop. Then we get 3 pineapple. Look at how big, Ollie, and pretty. It's nice, eh? So cute. And after that, we get some Christophine. These Christophines look nice and cute too. Some cucumbers to juice. Some Coralie. And then I bought 2 melon to do. I want to try a recipe that Cindy tell me about. So yeah, Olia, I'm very pleased with the produce. It is very nice. I think he has his social media, so I would put his social media down in the description box below in case you all want your stuff delivered to you and stuff. You could go and get it. He has different meeting points at different places. So I know for sure Port of Spain is down Independence Square by them banks them. But yeah, all it very good value for money, very good value for money. So I don't know what we're gonna go on today, but I'll pick you all up if anything happens. You know? Hi, honey pies. So I'm just here to end off this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yo, the channel is growing nice and beautifully. You know, big things ahead, big things ahead. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope everybody is staying safe, sanitizing, wearing your mask if you have to go out, making sure you know your social distance and thing, and you know all is well with the mentals.